Well, I don't really call this my comeback because the kind of love and affection that I've got throughout these years, I feel I've never really gone away from anyone's hearts. So this is just an extension of the love that you guys have given me. And I'm looking forward to enact the show and come into your houses and rooms and entertain you.
Uh,
Sorry, you'll have to go louder. I don't have any regrets in life. I feel the journey is beautiful and that's what matters.
या हाय दिस इज सुनीता फ्रॉम इंडिया टीवी। अजीत जी से मेरा सवाल होगा कि इस कैरेक्टर के लिए भाग्यश्री ही क्यों? वो ब्यूटीफुल हैं, हाई स्टैंडर्ड कैरेक्टर एक प्ले करना था, यही वजह है या कुछ खास वजह?
Wow, I hadn't prepared for this one. So पहला तो ये कि Nandita and Bhairavi, that was their option for this casting and we were very, very excited about it. I don't think anybody even said once kyun. But beyond that, I think it's very interesting, right? It's very interesting to get what I think somebody who has one of the best faces on screen in a long, long time we've seen, to get her back into a very, very different role. So the question for me is why not?
Thank you.
भाग्यश्री, मेरा सवाल आपसे भी है। आपको नहीं लगता कि आपको त्रिशा का बहुत ज़्यादा इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपके साथ तो सीआईडी के चीफ बीपी सिंह साहब मौजूद हैं, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि
Sorry, come again.
आपने कहा है कि लौट आओ त्रिशा को ढूंढा जा रहा है, सभी मिलकर ढूंढ रहे हैं। आपको नहीं लगता कि जिसके साथ सिंह साहब यानी सीआईडी के चीफ हैं, उन्हें ज़्यादा इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा त्रिशा का?
I think y'all will have to see the serial to see what actually happens over there.
But
Hello, sir.
आजकल बीपी सर एक शो और करते हैं जिसका नाम है शपथ सुपर कॉप्स, और उसकी रेटिंग शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, बट बियॉन्ड दैट एक्चुअली इट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया. When Azaz needs a boss, we'll get BP sir in the show. If Sriram Raghavan can do that to BP sir, we can also do it.
अजीत, एक सवाल और होगा। सुना है ये शो पहले स्टार प्लस पर आने वाला था, पर इसे लाइफ ओके ने टेक ओवर कर लिया, क्या ये सच है?
Absolutely, we are greedy, hungry. See, okay, let me put it this way. ये honest answer है, please quote मत करना ऐसे. But ये था कि when we got into the top 3, we were looking at stuff, and you remember Life OK is the child in the company, Star Plus is the big brother. So we said we want this because we like this, and the bosses said why not. So firstly, we have about 3 love stories right now, जो तुम नहीं देखते हो मुझे लगता है. So मैं भी शायद नहीं देखता हूँ. गुस्ताख दिल, तुम्हारी पाखी, and एक बूंद इश्क, all 3 are love stories. But I don't think it's about the dark shows as much as about, if you remember, जब पहला press conference हमने किया था, हमने कहा था कि हम बहुत strong social topics लेंगे, and we will try and ask the right questions and sometimes suggest solutions. So from that point of view, when we pick up, so yes, when we pick up crime or domestic violence or what this show is about the crime within the family, ये dark लगता है, but actually it is a reflection of our headlines today. But at the same time, we do love stories. Super Cops is a full-out fantasy for the kids and families. So the reason for that is that we pick up the most relevant social topics today and turn them into stories on our channel. सर ने बोला था, मैंने बोला था. आप अभी हम आपको अपना पहला एपिसोड मंडे तक दिखा नहीं सकते हैं, आप वो स्पेनिश एपिसोड देख लीजिए. So you'll know. खलबल is not the right word. I think बहुत बोल्ड और बहुत एजी है, and मुझे नहीं लगता, बिकॉज दो लेवल पे कहानी है, राइट? 3 लेवल पे कहानी है. एक है कहानी जो एक पूरा थ्रिलर, सस्पेंस थ्रिलर है, जहाँ पे एजाज लीड्स दिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन और हर दूसरे तीसरे हफ्ते कोई नया सस्पेक्ट आता है. तो वो
देखिए, परिवार तो हर जगह होता है, चाहे वो हाई सोसाइटी हो या गरीबों के बीच में हो, और अगर कहीं से भी घर की बच्ची, घर की बेटी गुम हो जाए तो दर्द माँ को उतना ही होता है जो हाई सोसाइटी की माँ का होगा या लोअर लेवल और मिडिल क्लास वुमन. So I think the subject matters at all levels. I don't think this is just a metro subject.
So you know why not, right? Now that's the answer. But that's the second part. Yeah. So that second level, it is actually essentially a family drama. And that's why I think it will appeal to everybody. And I don't think this show is an urban show, because the topic, which is the third part of it, the topic we are dealing with, which we are not talking about today, as you'll discover in the show, is something that grapples every third, fourth family, but we don't talk about it. So I think it's relevant to, I always say that all our shows are made for Moradabad as much as Mumbai. So I think it will be relevant for all, and for the reasons Bhagyashree just talked about.
So Bhagyashree, I have to ask you that which was the most challenging part of playing this character?
Most challenging part?
Yeah.
I think Nandita, our director, is doing such a splendid job that her vision is so big. I hope that we all can stay true to the vision and add our own bits to it. I think she is dreaming really big, and we hope this dream comes true.
Hello, BP Singh sir. BP Singh sir, CID में आपके जो ACP हैं उनका एक तकिया कलाम है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, तो यहाँ भी अपने ACP को कुछ ऐसा कोई तकिया कलाम वगैरह दिया है आपने जो मशहूर होगा?
देखिए, उस शो के बारे में यहाँ बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, और ये शो में तो एजाज से ही पूछो क्या बोलते हैं
सर जी नहीं।
हाँ,
जो ACP दिलेर जो बोलते हैं शपथ में कि जब विलन बड़ा होता है तो हीरो को और बड़ा होना पड़ता है. We bought the rights for it. It's an official adaptation. Actually, I don't want to give out the story, but no. But see the Spanish series. We bought the rights for it, and it's been there 10 years back. I told you I saw it 4 years back in a television market in France. So watch the Spanish show. So you will get a sense of it. And it is not taken at all.
हेलो अजीत जी, ये एक लिमिटेड एडिशन एपिसोड्स में ख़त्म होने वाला सीरियल होगा या नेवर एंडिंग जैसे चलते रहते हैं, बाकी जैसे होते हैं उस तरह से चलता रहेगा?
तो एक तो महादेव के अलावा हमने कोई भी शो 1 साल 1.5 साल से ऊपर किया नहीं है जो ओरिजिनल स्टोरी है. फ्रॉम व्हाट आई नो, Nandita and Bhairavi have given us a story of about 200 to 240 episodes, because जो स्पेनिश शो है वो 1 घंटे का है, about 100 episodes. तो I don't see it going beyond a year. And finally,
त्रिशा मिल जाएगी?
वो पता नहीं मुझे, but कुछ तो होगा.
Yes, there is a definite end. It always makes the story more interesting जब हमें मालूम है कि किरदार ख़त्म कैसे होता है, कहानी कैसे ख़त्म होती है. There are lots of people who read the last page of the novel before they actually begin the novel. So yes, this is a finite series, and I think you all are going to enjoy the journey with us.
Okay, so Upasana here from India Forums. There is a trend that we are seeing these days. Television film actors are making their debut, or they are seen on television. So is that one of the reasons that you brought Bhagyashree ma'am here?
Not at all. I think we were looking for the perfect fit for the role. And I think the difference between the 3 screens is fast disappearing. So between films, television, and digital, all the screens have merged. And today, all actors, technicians, writers from one screen are moving to the other very seamlessly. So that division of 10 years back, where some Bollywood actors were trying to come to TV, is not there anymore. And I always use this statistics to tell you the power of television screen. So the highest blockbuster, whichever one you pick up, Dhoom 3, Ek Tha Tiger, would at the end of its run have had about 6 to 6.5 crore, 65 million people viewing it. In a week on Mahadev or Diya Aur Bati, we have about 8.5 crore people seeing it just in a week. So I think everybody's realized the power of television as much as television realized the power of the stars of films. And the guy next to me, I'm sure will have a successful career on the other screen as much as this screen. So.